Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You will begin by preparing essentials and opening the sign-up page. On your laptop, open a modern browser and go to the account creation flow. Enter your first and last name, then choose a unique username. This becomes your @Gmail address, so pick carefully. Next, type a strong password and confirm it. Passwords should be long and varied to resist guessing. Once done, click Next to provide recovery options and birth date. These improve account security and allow password recovery if needed. Now continue by verifying your identity and tweaking settings. Enter the phone number for SMS verification and wait for the numeric code. Then type it into the verification box to prove ownership. Once verified, adjust privacy and personalization options, choose whether activity data is saved and how ads are personalized. Make sure to read the key points in the terms, accept them to proceed. After acceptance, Google creates your account and signs you in automatically, so you can access Gmail and other services. Finish by confirming access and securing the account. Open Gmail to verify that your inbox initialized and that profile details display correctly. Sync settings will propagate across devices. Next, enable two-step verification in security settings. Use an authenticator app or SMS to add a second factor. If something goes wrong, don't panic. Use the recovery email or phone number to reset the password, or run the account recovery form if locked out. If verification fails, wait a few minutes and retry. Temporary rate limits can block repeated attempts.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.